Hello, my name is Simon Dowes from Make It Easy For You. In today's video we're going to be covering multitasking and the dock. So to start off we're going to talk about the dock. So the dock is a new feature in iOS 11 that automatically expands and reduces depending on what apps you use. And it will put the apps in easy of use. So for example on here I use the mail a lot, the music a lot and iBooks a lot and stuff. And I'm always looking through all my pages that I have on my screen. So the advantage of it is it's quick and easy to get to. Also with that, it allows you to have multitasking. So I could have one app open, such as the weather. You can swipe up to bring your dock. It brings up your dock. So you can choose a particular application to work. So for example, the weather or the notes app, it will come over, it says, and then it will come in what's called split view, and then you can be googling some research and you can be writing your notes on the same time without having to manually open the apps. So to close this, because these apps will become together, swipe upwards on the control center and then you use your finger upwards and it removes it. And whilst I'm on that note, this blank area will be where all your apps will open once you've opened and closed them. So you can use that for closing them or tapping back onto them.